Okay, so let's give you guys a quick room tour. This is at the Grand Aston in Veradero, Cuba. It's what week is it? We'll call it mid November 2025. And yeah, this is I upgraded the room to the VIP just because it was a reasonable price. So I figured, why not? Only live once. Okay, so as soon as you walk in on the right hand side, you've got the bathroom here, the toilets, you've got big shower, probably fit about 10 people in here. And if you notice up here, that is one monster of a shower head. So I'm thinking, yeah, it's gonna be feeling like you're in the rain, I'm guessing. But hopefully everything works. Haven't tried it yet. We'll find out. The rest of the bathroom here, you got a sink, some towels, a couple hanging racks. I'll give you some fancy, what is that? Looks like bath wash and shampoo and body wash. And yeah, it looks pretty snazzy in here. Nice sliding bathroom door. It does work. Got a closet on this side, ironing board, robe. I guess a stand for some shoes. Over on this side, you've got the safe. You've got extra blankets. You've got lots of stuff in the closets. Comes with standard, I guess. And you got another 3 drawers on the bottom here that you can fill up with stuff if you like. Doing this, I just got in here basically maybe 5 minutes ago. Had a chance to go to the bathroom, find the camera, and we're doing the tour now. It's been a long trek to get here. Worked Thursday, came home, got packed, and basically jumped in the car about midnight. Was up by around 11. Got a little bit of sleep, but not a lot. And then it is now, I think, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon here, and not much sleep in between. So been a lot of hurry up and wait here, but that's all good. I've got king size bed. You got lamps. You got I don't know what these things are on the other side. You got switches probably for the lamps, USB charging. You got plug-ins. You got a phone. I don't think I'll be using the phone too much because the concierge added me on WhatsApp, and he said if I needed anything to give him a message and he'll deliver. So that was kind of nice. Not sure how much I'll be using that service, but we'll see. It's still early in the week. Got a desk here, a chair on the right hand side. Got I guess a mini bar in here, not stocked yet, but one day soon. They're supposed to be coming back later to stock that up, and yeah, it'll be kind of nice. Espresso machine, I guess if you want to make your own espressos. Not my kind of thing. Being for an all-inclusive, I'll either order or I'll go grab one from the coffee bar. And then you've got the view. The view is amazing. We've got the beach in the background. Looks pretty wavy out there today. Probably not a lot of people out there. But I also got the pool here, so I can see exactly what's going on and kind of go from there. But yeah, if it's too busy, stay in here. If it's not busy, maybe go down there. I don't know. Lots of stuff going on there, that's for sure. It's getting used, so it's good to see. And yeah, I'll upload some more videos, and we'll kind of take it from there.